Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can restrict some content on your phone so it'll be safe for, I guess, children to use. But you're just going to go to screen time and you are going to go to content and privacy restrictions. And then you are going to go to content restrictions, and here for instance, if you have this under explicit, you're just going to select clean. Also books, you are going to select clean. And for instance, you don't want to allow all apps. You can like click certain like ages. For instance, you don't allow apps that are age 9 above or 70 plus above, but you're just going to click on that. You can also press on TV shows. For instance, you only allow SU, which is like shows that are allowed to be watched by all ages, etc. You can just adjust it to your liking. There's also web content, Siri, and even Game Center, where you can disable like them adding friends and etc. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!